Tonight, we're tracking some really strong wind gusts that could knock out power to families right before Thanksgiving Day. You can see the current wind speed right now in Boone. Where are they at? I can't see it from where I'm at. 10 miles per hour, but look at Jefferson, 23 right now, and that'll only go up from there tonight. No power will really throw a wrench, of course, in cooking and preparing for Thanksgiving dinner.
That's why power crews know this, and they are on high alert, standing by, ready to act quickly, so Thanksgiving is not ruined for a lot of people. Want to check in with Chief Meteorologist Steve Futelson. Steve, you are watching those wind speeds right now.
Yeah, guys, they're going to peak this evening as the storm is pulled on by. We are still feeling the effects of a strong southwest wind. Hey, it's blowing as high as 55 miles an hour in Jefferson, 45 miles an hour in Boone, and everywhere else, including Charlotte, about a 15 to 25 mile an hour wind was common this afternoon. Still blowing across the high country, again, gusts to 33 right now in Jefferson, but you get an idea as to how variable those wind speeds are across the mountains when you look at this map. At 33 Jefferson, 28 Lansing, 24 gusts at Boone and Zionville, only 19 at Blowing Rock. So again, what's going to happen is as the storm pulls away and continues to intensify, the winds will actually pick up in the mountains tonight. We could easily see gusts to 50 miles an hour through at least midnight. And here we are Thanksgiving morning, still looking at 30, 40 mile per hour winds in the mountains and about a 10 mile an hour wind in the metro. Slowly, and I emphasize slowly, those winds will relax. We have high wind warnings in effect in the mountains through tomorrow. At least it was a warm wind. Look at the temperature in Boone today. Set a record, 67 degrees. Warmer in Boone than it was in Charlotte. I'll show you how soon the chill comes back in a bit.
Wow. Thank you, Steve. Crews were already out working today using a helicopter to trim trees.
They're working ahead of the winds, as we've been telling you about. Our Dave Faraday has been out at the Blue Ridge Parkway all day. And Dave, you've felt the wind out there.
Yeah, Scott, the winds have really picked up since lunchtime. At lunchtime, we just had a light southerly breeze here in the North Carolina high country. That wind has now shifted and it's coming right out of the northwest. We've seen gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour here in the North Carolina high country. I did get a chance to talk to some power crews earlier today. They tell me they are prepared, even if it means missing Thanksgiving dinner. We could see Blue Ridge Electric crews make last-minute preparations to their trucks in Lenoir. The high wind warning tonight, coupled with the rain this morning, could bring down trees at higher elevations. The company has all of its line technicians on high alert as those wind speeds are forecasted to climb later tonight.
There's a lot of line that we have that is off the road. Sometimes we got to climb or try to get trucks into it if at all possible, but the wind and the rain, trees falling and stuff.
We always have somebody on standby, and if those people can't handle it, then we always call in more.
Still hoping to make Thanksgiving dinner.
Yeah, if we can, we will, but if not, that's okay.
The company began preparing earlier this fall by bringing in a helicopter to prune trees in problem areas where lines are difficult to access. You can see the 800-pound 10-blade aerial saw trimming trees away from the lines. Residents like Kathy Roberts are hopeful the winds don't get too strong tonight. This afternoon, she took some pictures along the Blue Ridge Parkway, but says no one should venture out here tonight.
No, not if it's that windy. They may drive by and stop, but they'll get back in the car and go home.
And we're dealing not only with some gusty conditions here in the North Carolina high country, but also the temperature has been dropping. We've been checking this afternoon over the last 4 hours. Scott, it has fallen 10 degrees. Back to you.